Hey guys, it's Owen at 4032 Animal Hospital. We're going to do a little video about making your dogs feel a little bit more comfortable at the vet clinic. So it all starts when we get to the parking lot. We get the dog out of the car. This is my dog Lady. She's 9 years old and she's from a rescue. We got her in Missouri when we lived up there. But if I stay calm, she has a better chance of staying calm. And when I let her out of the car, the first thing I might try to do, unless she has a problem and I need a sample of urine or feces, I'm going to let her go to the bathroom out here so that way inside she's not as anxious. If your dog gets along with other dogs or other animals, it's no big deal to just walk right in. But if they don't get along with other animals, you might have a friend go check out the waiting room first to see if there's anybody else in there. Let's go ahead and go in. Once you get inside, you'll be greeted by one of our staff members and your dog's going to get some extra treats. Lady loves treats. It might sound funny, but try to treat the waiting room just like you would if you were sitting at the house with your dog watching TV. Just pet them on top of the head, love on them like you normally would, and that'll help them stay nice and calm while they're waiting to get their turn to the examiner. Just like some humans can be scared when they go to their doctor, dogs can get scared seeing their doctor. So we do a couple things to try to help out with that. One, try to not look like a doctor by wearing a big white coat. Two, we try not to hold on to them super tight or do aggressive restraints or anything. We want them to be really comfortable and feel like they're just at home getting loved on by their parents. And of course, we're going to bribe them a lot. Yeah, that works, doesn't it, baby girl? Yes, yes. The biggest thing that's going to help your pet be less anxious at any animal hospital is just to know the people better. So come on anytime for a free little visit where you can get some treats, check their weight, and get to know us and let us love on your pet.